this image that you see on your screen and this other one and this other one are all images that were created using AI tools. Now, if you're used to what's going on the internet today, you will notice that a lot of people are posting AI generated pictures, sometimes posting AI generated videos, and you may be wondering, how exactly do these people create this content? In fact, some people keep on asking, how does one really make money using these tools? So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 lazy ways you can make money online with AI, especially if you are a beginner. Now, this is not just something that I have not done before. This is something I have tried before, and that is why I'm sharing this with you. So make sure to stick around to the end of the video so that you can learn 1 or 2 things on how you can actually make money using AI tools. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuff online, and I show you things you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before I get in, please kindly do me a favor by liking this video. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you turn on your notification bell. All right, let's get into the video. So number 1 way to make money using this AI tool as a beginner is that you can sell AI generated images. You can use free tools like Leonardo, like Binge Image Creator, like Ideogram to generate high quality images. Now, a lot of people generate images using any of these tools that I've mentioned, but it's not just about generating the image. You must be able to sell your image and make money from that. All right, you can sell it as a stock photo, you can sell it to people who are doing t-shirts, you can sell it as a poster, you can even sell it as an NFT art. Now, there are lots of people that may not have money to go to the studio. If you know how to generate these images perfectly using prompt, you can actually go ahead and help these people to create very professional studio shots for them that they can use on their profile. If you check a lot of people's profile on Facebook right now, you will see that people are no more going to the studio. Because why? The cost of taking pictures in the studio is high for some people. So most times people will resort to using AI pictures. That's where you come in. So if you know how to generate these images, you can actually create these studio shots for them and sell it to them. Right? So you don't need to be an artist, you don't need to be an expert. All you need to do is to understand how prompts work. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 on my list is that you can create and sell digital products like ebooks or video courses. Now, with tools like ChatGPT, like Notion AI, like Cloud AI, you can actually create simple ebooks and guides or digital templates that you can sell to people. For instance, if you have a solution, you can package it as a short ebook and sell it online. This is something that I do most of the time. In fact, most of my monies were made from creating ebooks. So if you really want to learn how this works, you can go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link to one of my courses that shows you how you can actually create ebooks using AI tool. This is very easy. If you create the ebooks, you can actually sell them on Gumroad, you can sell it on Payhip, you can even use ST or Seller. Seller is one of the best I can recommend to you if you are a Nigerian, and there's a new one called enough.com. So if you want me to talk more about that, just go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. All right, the beautiful thing about this is that you only create it once and you can keep selling it on repeat and making your money. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3 is that you can sell prompts. All right, there are people who want to create this AI content, they want to create AI images, they want to create AI videos, but they don't know what to type into the AI tool. So that is where prompts come in. So if you know how to write good prompts that generate amazing results, you can sell them on prompt base, you can sell them to people, you can even turn those prompts into ebooks and sell your prompts. I know of people who are selling prompts. Okay, so if you want me to actually teach you more about prompts, you can go to the comment section, drop a comment for me. All right, so people can actually pay you for the kinds of words that you type into the AI. That's why you hear words like AI engineering, AI prompt engineering. All right, so these are 3 lazy ways. There are more ways for you to make money using AI tools, but these are just 3. So if you really want to learn more, all you need to do is to go to the comment section and drop a comment for me, or make sure that you check the link in the description for more details. All right, this is all we are going to take in this video. Make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.